Just how much plastic do we have around us? How many animal species can we save by getting rid of plastic debris? This is why we created Mini Bulky, to reduce plastic waste. Weighing only 44 grams, it can hold up to 30 grams of goods. Unlike other reusable bag designs, our bag is Concertina fold design, allowing you to open up the bag and have the full access to the bag. No more mess or crease. The one pull and roll feature makes everything simple and neat. The sling webbing design can distribute and reduce the weight. The loop allows you to put it in your pocket or hang it among your keys. Our Mini Bulky is machine washable or tumble dry with a protective coating that keeps water and dirt outside of the bag. With a huge capacity, you can fit everything in any shape. For every bag sold, we will plant one tree. No more ugly, reusable bags for daily uses. Our bag is designed for fashion and convenience purpose, and we hope that the convenience of Mini Bulky can reduce plastic use. Back us today and help the Mini Bulky to reality.